Just real quick, I want to show you some of the fabric that they chose that we're going to do the seat covers in. This material is actually a rear seat cushion, and this material is going to be used in the center sections of each seat, and the outside panels, the bolsters, and the outside faces of each panel are going to be in the Porsche vinyl as original. Also restoring the door panels, and what we're doing with the door panels is originally the door panels had a map pocket here. The map pockets on this vehicle are in very poor shape, and Motorworks managers decided that they wanted to eliminate the pockets and have me make something a little bit more custom using the combination of the purple plaid material and the original Porsche vinyl. So what I did was I took the door panels and I actually made a new panel pattern, taking it back and forth to the body shop to put the holes in the inner door panels of the vehicle that would hold the retainers of the new area that I added onto these panels. Basically, after doing all that, we have a new panel on the back. And what I did was eliminating the pockets, designed something that used the purple plaid material, keeping the pattern of the material in a straight form all the way across, and then using a diagonal stitch across to give it the pleats. And what I did was, when the armrest on the passenger door is on here, it mimics the angle of the door pull, so each pleat mimics that angle. And that's why I use the angle across, which is similar to the mid-80s Porsches. They use this type of pattern when they do their vinyl. A little bit different because we have this plaid pattern here that gives it a little bit more distinction, and I just think it came out nice, and I hope everybody likes it. So that being said, things are moving along quite well with the rest of the interior. The rest of the interior is basically some panels for the tops of the doors, the quarter trim, things like that I've already done. They're in another table over there. They're just panels like this that have already been upholstered. Things are going real well. I'm doing the seats. One of the parts that the vendor that I ordered the parts from sent me the incorrect part, so I can't finish the seats. But as soon as that comes, I'm going to be working on those. And then once the car comes back from the body shop, I'll be putting in the headliner. And I'll probably do that at the dealership. But other than that, things are going along real well, and hope everybody likes what I'm doing.